Good day, people. Today we're going to analyze equivalent expressions. A new box of pasta claims to contain 25% more than the usual box. What expression shows the amount of pasta P in the new box? Okay, so we can use P to represent the amount of pasta we have in the regular box of pasta. And then I'll do my bar diagram to demonstrate more. So we see that P represents the amount of pasta in the regular box of pasta. And then they are saying this new box would have 25% more. So 25% is the same as 0.25. So we have 0.25 P to represent 25% more of P. So as you can see, this blue section, which would represent the original amount of pasta, this orange section would be 25% more. That's why it's 0.25 P. From there, we can see that this new box would be P plus 0.25 P. So if we have P plus 0.25 P, we can rewrite this because we know that there is a 1 directly beside that P. The coefficient of P is 1, and we have 0.25 P. We see that P is common to both terms, so we can factor out P. So we get P 1 plus 0.25. From there, we know that 1 plus 0.25 would be 1.25 P. So we have generated a number of, these are all equivalent expressions to represent the amount of pasta we have in that new box. We can also evaluate each expression to prove that they are equivalent. What does this 1.25 P means? It means that this new box of pasta is 125% times the original or the usual box of pasta. Alright, we're going to do our next question. At a college, the cost of tuition increased by 10%. Let B represent the former cost of tuition. Use the expression B plus 0.10 B for the new cost of tuition. Okay, so the first question is write an expression or equivalent expression for the new cost of the tuition. So we add B plus 0.10 B. From there, we know that this is 1B. The coefficient of B is 1. So we can factor out B from both terms. So we'll have 1 plus 0.10. We know that 1 plus 0.10 would be 1.10 B. And these are all equivalent expressions. So they only asked us for 1, but we gave them 2. So these are all equivalent expressions. Alright, so let us move to the next question. And what does this? What does your expression, this equivalent expression, tell you about how to find the new cost of the tuition? So if the cost increased by 10%, we can multiply the former cost by 110% to get that new tuition cost. Thank you for watching.